Hi guys! Welcome back. Ate. Ano welcome back, ate? Welcome back to my channel. So today, sa tabi kong dati, ay magpapalit pala tayo ng mga gulong. So nagtanong tayo sa Minerva first. Nasa magkano te? 4,400. So meron tayong scoop na may available din yung mga tires sa SNR. So tignan natin kung okay doon. And ano pa? Kakain. SNR. Ay, Uniqlo pa pala. Massage. So, bye-bye. Yum yum. Happy hours. Oo, dark chocolate. Yan pala yung gusto ni Kuya eh, nung nakaraan.
Tapos hindi ko pala maano, no?
Nakaklaim pa nga. Ay, nasan ba yun? Hindi. Ang galing niya hang manipad. Happy ka naman. Hi guys! So waiting tayo kay Kuya. Dito na tayo nag-avail sa SNR ng tires ni GB. Ang may pinakamahal na regalo.
Nga, this year.
This year. So, yung Yokohama tires nila sa ibang store, nasa 4,400, dito 4,000. Magkano? 4,029 lang. And, so naka-free ham pa tayo. Kasi kapag, ano ka, card holder ka with 12K, free ham. Mukhang ham yan. Ay, ano yan? Ay, akala ko nakatingin ka sa loob, sa labas. Free ham. Free ham. Tayo natin si Kuya. Yun. Free yung rotation,
For 4 sets of
nitrogen tire inflation. Hindi, yan yung cost niya. Pero kung dito ka nga bumili, free siya. Ay, or member. Parang ganun. Oo, pag dito ka bumili. Sabi ni Kuya, dalhin daw yung resibo. So, sabi niya resibo. Every 7,000. What that?
Para saan po yan, Kuya?
Po? Yung sa balance. Ito pala yung balancing. Mag-aanak pa ba kayo ng sasakyan? Ayaw mo?
Ay, gusto ko. Okay.
Let's go. So, we're going to look for heat tech sa Uniqlo. Katabi lang na SNR. Okay, nice. And that's about it for today, guys. Thank you very much for continuously watching my vlog. And I would like to thank my colleague, Raf, for introducing us to SNR. Actually, lagi naman tayong pupunta sa SNR. Napapansin natin na may mga tinda nga silang gulong doon. But it just never occurred to me na mag-check din ng prices doon or magpapalit nga ng gulong sa SNR. Because of course, we go there for groceries and just for food. So, yun. Just a little bit of recap to help everyone. I think the most important thing is to make sure that you keep your receipt kasi doon sila magbe-base. First, of course, when you avail tires from them, it's going to be free installation and balancing, pati yung nitrogen inflation. So, around 2,000 pesos yung cost. If you are going to do it there, and hindi kayo doon nag-avail or you don't have the receipt, you may, provided that of course you will have to pay for it. And yun, so medyo confusing siya kasi 'di ba, when you go to SNR, you will need to give up your receipt or present or give up, it depends on their mood. And baka makalimutan nyo, maibigay yung resibo and then wala kayong copy nung resibo. Kasi sabi ni Kuya, so don't quote me on this yet because I haven't done it. They do offer free service like the rotation, nitrogen inflation, and balancing every 7,000 kilometers. Maybe when after 7,000 kilometers, I can go back there and check for you. With regards to our decision of finally buying it in SNR instead of other stores, we actually do have a near tire house here, Minerva, and we inquired about Yokohama, so it's around 4,400. And yun nga, kasi yung colleague ko, sabi niya, ang alam niya, around 3,600 ngayon sa SNR. So, when we went there, munti ka pa namin makalimutan. Nag-chikahan kami, nag-chikahan doon. But then, nakalimutan natin yun, bibili pala kami ng gulong. So, when we went there, they told us that they don't have the decibel anymore. So, bakit ba Yokohama yung binili namin? Said, of course, that there are a lot of good brands. Yokohama is also good, but actually, he didn't include it in one of the best. However, just for me, and I saw it in one of the vlogs as well, since it was the stock tire of the vehicle, so I think that it's safe to say that it is good for the vehicle. So I was looking to avail Yokohama Decibel, which was the stock of the vehicle. However, wala na daw sila noon. So I'm not really sure if wala na ba sila sa entire Philippines, or din na sila, nag-discontinue na sila, or wala lang sila dun sa SNR. Nonetheless, yes, they did have it. It was around 3,600, but they offered us an alternative, which is the Yokohama Blue Earth, and it costs around 4,000. Let me check. 4,029 per piece. So, of course, they didn't have the decibel anymore. So they provided us with an alternative, which is Blue Earth, which is almost exactly the same, different name, of course, Blue Earth, and a little bit more expensive. So tinanong namin sa yun nga, Minerva Tires, it's around 4,400. But of course, I wasn't able to confirm if the price that they offered us, kasi mabilis lang nagtanong lang talaga kami kung magkano before we went to SNR. And yun nga, Yokohama, they just asked for yung size, ganon, and then they gave us the quote, and they were actually upselling another brand of tires which has 3+1, parang ganon. But I suggested to my sister, I really prefer the stock tires, so kung ano siya originally. Then maybe later on, hindi ba natapos siya ng ating mga kagastusan, definitely we will have to buy another set of tires in the future. And I will still continuously research on things, kung alin yung maganda, and we can share also to each other. So, yun. And we ended up, of course, buying the Yokohama Blue Earth. They installed it for free. Maganda pala yun na. First time ko din yung nitrogen inflation, because usually we just do it sa mga gas station. And yun nga, sabi ni Sir, ni Kuya, that they will do it again for free after every 7,000 kilometers.
kung tama yung pag-identity ko, every after 7,000. Just, you have to make sure that you have the receipt with you. So, yes. And nagkaroon pa nga kami ng free ham because of that. We used my favorite card of all time. So far, so good experience with SNR. Isa lang din pala, syempre, nag-grocery kami and medyo maraming tao. Lumagpas na kami dun sa number of hours kasi after, nakalimutan nga namin na mag-tires kami dahil na-enjoy kami masyado sa paglibot-libot and pagkain. So, lumagpas na kami sa number of hours. Tapos, yun, in-explain ko na lang kay ate na ay medyo mahaba pa yung pila sa loob and at the same time, we had to change tires. So, she let us go naman. Kahit na, lagpas na kami dun sa oras kasi nagpa-tire, talaga kami, install. So, that's about it. Thank you very much for continuously watching my vlog and I hope na makapag-sharean pa tayo ng ating mga car information para everybody happy. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.